I'd taken a few years out of learning just to kind of work and things, and when I was in college I dropped out. I had some problems with depression and I was finding things really difficult. So I just took a few years out of education, and then at one point I was like, you know, I'm happy with my job and I'm happy where I am, but I would quite like to see what I can do if it's possible for me to go to university, and I've always loved reading and studying, so I felt maybe it was time to go back to that and see how things went really.
Isla had a few barriers before she started on the Access to Humanities course. She had some family issues initially, which obviously knocked her confidence a lot. She also suffers from depression and anxiety, so it was a big deal for her to come in and to kind of meet new people and to get on with the course. Once she settled down, her confidence soared, her academic ability grew, and you know, having the routine and the kind of studying really kind of had a massive impact on her.
I still kind of have problems with depression still, so every now and then I would just find it hard and things would get worse, and I'd be like, right, no, I've committed to this now, I have to keep doing it. I did the Agored Cymru Access to Higher Education course, and it basically consisted of studying geography, English and history, along with some study skills and some communication skills. And I found now that I'm in university, those skills like how to do referencing, how to do presentations, they're all like really helpful in terms of actually completing my assignments at university.
I think she's got an excellent future ahead of her. I mean, she's very, very academic. She's very confident now. I mean, she's studying anthropology. I'm not 100% sure the sort of jobs you can get from that, but I'm sure she will excel in whatever career she decides to go into.
I'm not quite sure what I want to do after university. I hope like university will kind of guide me down a path that I'm interested in. But I would love to do either work with an NGO or something. I would love to work overseas, but I hadn't actually thought too much about it. I think after university, you know, if I manage to get a job, whatever the job is, that's great. I'll commit to it and work hard at it. I think that's the plan I've got so far.